we'll guide you through how to access the Claude AI login page. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser on your desktop and type in the official website URL for Claude AI. Make sure you're on the right page by checking the domain, which should be a secure and official Claude AI site. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and you will be directed to the login page. Here, you'll see fields to enter your credentials. Type in your registered email address in the first field. Make sure there are no typos, as this could prevent you from logging in. In the next field, enter your password. If you have trouble remembering it, you can click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. After entering your details, click on the Sign In button. You should now be successfully logged into Claude AI. If you encounter any issues, double-check your internet connection or try clearing your browser cache. Sometimes, outdated cookies can cause login problems. Also, ensure that your browser is up to date, as older versions might not support the latest website features. If you still can't access your account, contact Claude AI support for further assistance. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.